Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Josie. I'm here again with another 6 pounds. Hope you like this video. And remember tomorrow, me and Pam Treasures on my channel at 8 a.m. Pacific time, an early auction. Hope you will join us. So I will now lower my camera and let's see what we have here. Okay, let's see what we got. I'm going to start with some of the extra things that she sends me. And this piece, I was totally amazed. Actually, I have to say, this piece here came in the last bag that I bought from her. But it is JBK Camrose in Cross pearl necklace. It's Jackie Kennedy, that company, and it is beautiful. Look at the clasp and wait till you hear what they're selling for. Oh, just one of the prices on eBay is $175. There was nothing under $100. It is beautiful. Absolutely. 3-strand. Look at the clasp. It is hallmarked back here. Whoops. There we go. It would help if I show you, wouldn't it? Again, I have a new tripod and I'm fighting with it. Trying to get used to it. These are beautiful. These are heavy. So if there is somebody out there that wants to make me an offer, I can tell you I will not take less than $50 for them. But these are beautiful. That company sells Jackie's jewelry and her creations. I mean, she had, let's face it, the genuine pieces. These are not genuine. But it is gorgeous, every bit of that. And my favorite seller always sends me hummingbirds when she has them. And you know, naturally, I'm going to keep that one. It is so pretty. In fact, the birthday card she sent me had hummingbirds. It's really neat. And there's hairpins. These are nice. No missing stones. Very nice. As I say every time I do an unboxing, I love everything this lady sends me. I will hold this up. I don't think I have my camera low enough. There we go. I'm not sure. Anyway, let's see what's in here. Wow, this is a set. Oh, this is cool. This is really cool. Earrings, bracelet, and necklace. And if anything, if you see something that you would like to make a offer, feel free to do it. I usually accept most offers. As I always say, once in a while I will counter offer. But I usually accept any reasonable offer. Let's see. There's the necklace. Here's the earrings. Very pretty. And there is the bracelet. Let's see. Look at that. That's nice. I like that set. It's in mint condition, which that always helps. Excuse me. This is pretty. And nice. I like that. I just have a feeling that The last couple of bags I've opened that I wanted to keep a lot of the pieces. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful piece. Let me look at it. No missing stones. That even makes it nicer. And here is a watch. And let's see if I can see the brand. Kim Rogers. Isn't that lovely? Look at that. That's a lovely watch. I will put a new battery in it. Always put new batteries and make sure they work before I put them up for sale. This says, "You Are My Sunshine." Looks brand new. Beautiful. Alex and Annie style, but it is not Alex and Annie. I'm not really crazy about a lot of Alex and Annie that you get is always tarnished. Maybe they're just worn a lot. I don't know. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. What do you think of that piece? Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, wow. Look at that. Very nice. I actually love doing these unboxings. Come across. I peek at the extra things, but I don't usually look at the bags. Once in a while I do. And I did I took the pearls out of the bag. Can't get over those pearls, what they sell for. Oh, look at this. Oh my. That is gorgeous. Like I said, remember I have a sale tomorrow on my channel, and then Saturday my solo. Well, now this is different. Looks artisan made. It's made out of a spoon, but then they embellished it. Very, very nice. Now this looks like there's a humongous ring. Look at this. That's huge. That's about a 10.5. I couldn't even wear that on my thumb. Wow. That's nice though. And then we have a little fashion ring. Okay, this box, and that's the last of the extra stuff. Then I'll get into the bag. Oh, this is beautiful. The rhinestones are just perfect. Love that. Now this lady is just fabulous. She actually even sent me a birthday card. Yeah. There is a brooch. That's nice. Some earrings from Macy's that say $24 on them. You know, Macy's stuff does not sell cheap. And some more rhinestones. Isn't that pretty? Very, very nice. And the last in that box is another watch. I love her watches. They're all in good condition. Once in a while, I get one that doesn't work and I have to throw it away. What is the brand on this? Kenson? Or some, I've never heard of this brand. That's a beautiful watch. Look at this. Let's do it this way. Look at that watch. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to have to look that brand up. That is beautiful. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, let's get into this bag. See what we have. We have a stretch bracelet. Good condition. And, well, this has a toggle clasp. Let's see. Oh, I see what they... It's got a spring ring clasp and a toggle. Wow. Oh, that's cool. You can actually take the chain off. I love that. That's why it had, see the big spring ring clasp? So you can take that off. That's neat. That really is. Oh my. Now if I can get it untangled, that is. Look at this. It's a pretend clock, but look at it. It is a pendant. Wow, that's heavy. I would use this for art, but it's really nice. And we have a snowman brooch. That's cute. Stretch bracelet. That's in good condition. Have a ring. Let's see. Thought it said something. Doesn't. It needs cleaning. It possibly could be sterling. 9.5. And what I'm saying that for is it almost looks artisan made. I will clean it and actually test it. How cute. Here's some fashion earrings. Oh, these are nice earrings. Let's see. This is not an earring. Oh, it's a pendant, and then you can add things to it. Little charms to it. Oh, this is nice. I have one similar that I kept for myself. This is a little different. It says blessed. It's a beautiful bracelet. I can move that over here like this. Mint condition. Look at that. That's lovely. And we have this necklace. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? You know, and this stuff, I don't wear gloves. I don't have to. It's not filthy. She does not send me filthy jewelry. Okay, we are tangled. Get a few tangles, which is normal in any bag. I'm sure the bags I make, a few things get tangled. That is lovely. That's in mint condition. Well, we got a ring here. Let's see. See what size that is. That is a size 7. I'll have to clean that. A little bit of discoloration, but sometimes if you run the cloth over them, you find they're just dirty. But I will. Oh, this is lovely. Look at that. Very, very nice. I have never been totally disappointed in any of her bags like I have been with other sellers. Look at that. That is so nice. Beautiful. Wow. When I clean that, it is even going to look nicer. Okay, something popped up on my screen. Okay, look at that. That's nice. Nice, nice. Excuse me, I don't want that on my screen. Okay. Oh, this is a lovely pendant. Big one. But it's not overly heavy, so it'd be really comfortable. And it would help if I didn't just pull them out of the bag like I do. So I caused some tangles too. Oh, look at this. Wow. Look at this. You like bright colors? Wow, this one's for you. Beautiful, beautiful. This one. Interesting necklace. Look at that. And this is cold. That's a nice piece. We have a wrap bracelet. Another smaller wrap bracelet. Nope. Okay. Like that amber color. This is a stretch. This is cool. It's faux pearls, silver tone. Excellent condition. Wow, this is a big one. Interesting. Different. I am not sure about this one. Like, I don't know. I think I would take this apart. It's in beautiful condition, though. Oh, look at this cute pumpkin. It's a brooch or a pendant, whatever you want it to be. Isn't that cute? Okay, we got some earrings. Oh, I see. She put the earrings on the pendant because they're a matching set. There we go. And that's not Leah Sophia. It is KC. And then the matching earrings. How about that? They're in good shape. Fold over clasp. And if you hear noise in the background, there's nothing I can do because it's people outside the hall. I live in an apartment complex. And sometimes people get noisy. That's nice. Beautiful. Excellent condition. So far, I haven't found anything that I have to throw away or put in a craft box. And here is a bracelet. Another bracelet. Very different closure. Let's see. It is hallmarked. Fossil. Wow. Fossil's got some really different pieces out. I know that. I've run across some lately. Look at this brooch. Isn't that cute? Definitely vintage. Okay. Very long necklace. Beautiful red beads. I think this is glass. Here's another necklace. Oh, nice. Oh, I like this bracelet. Look at that. Sure, those are probably faux pearls, but they're very nice. Good condition. We have a butterfly brooch. Look at that. That's neat. That's enameled. That's nice herringbone. Well, this is different. A stretch ring. Look at the heart. Very different. Very different. Oh, I like this. I think this is just metal, but it reminds me of the pave stones. Beautiful. That is nice. This looks like I could look similar to Aurora Borealis or abalone. I'm not sure what it is, but it's nice. Very nice. Oh, and this is a Christmas necklace. We have, it says Christmas. It's a hummingbird on there. A snowman, a star, a cross, skating, shoes, Santa Claus. That's kind of cool. Kind of cool. Let's see. Let me get more out here. Ooh, got a lot here. Oh, this is pretty. I like the color on this one. I love the color. Get it untangled, that is. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That is really pretty. And no missing stones. That even makes it nicer. I do not show missing stones. I don't, I'll put them in the craft box. I've made a couple exceptions, say if the piece was just so gorgeous and they were fixable. Look at that. That's magnetic, and man, that's strong. Wow. You will not lose that piece. That is so strong. Look at that. That's nice. Wow. Lovely. Okay. I would say somebody, it must have been a brooch, but somebody finished that off where it's smooth and made a pendant out of it. That's really lovely, actually. Very nice. And we have a necklace with matching earrings. These are shell, very cold. And let's see here. I shouldn't have pulled them all out at one time. It's my fault. Now this one I can see I need to, no problem, put a jump ring on it. It has, it doesn't even need a jump ring. I don't know why they attached a lobster clasp. Evidently they had an extra lobster clasp and they didn't want to lose it and they put it on there. I don't know. This is very vintage and very small. If you have a small neck, or you can actually do an extender on this one, which is nice. Yeah. I like the lobster clasp because you can put an extender, especially for the vintage pieces. We are tangled. I think last time I did an unboxing, I had one similar to this that was tangled. Look at that. It's nice though. It is nice. This is a lovely lot. Oh, wow. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And there's the back. I said, remember, you can send me an offer. Oh, wow. Look at that. Isn't that nice? No, no, I guess that's just the way the eye is made. There's not a missing stone. That's nice. Nice, nice. I just dropped some earrings or something. Okay, we have some hematite. I've had this one before, and it's very beautiful. Beautiful hematite. Very, very cold. And another stretch. We're getting there. Here's another hematite. And they added a stone. Yeah. How neat. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Like that. Here is the bracelet. It says believe. There's the key. And this is also fossil. Second fossil piece tonight. Very nice. A great lot. Wow. Look at this one. And then they added stone, and that looks like a pearl, potato pearl. This is cold. This could be amethyst. It appears to be. To me, let's do this. I'll leave the bags for last, which is nice. She puts a lot of things in bags. The earrings usually are, unless they're a set. Oh wow, look at this bracelet. Isn't that cute? It's a snake chain. These are very, very comfortable. Okay. I'm not really crazy over these dark chains. But you know, to each his own taste. This one just needs cleaning, but it's nice. But it does need cleaning. And these are cold. I'm sure when that's cleaned up, it will look better. Oh, this is nice. Wow. This would look lovely with sweaters. Look at how it shines. There is not a scratch or a mark on this. I said this lady doesn't send me junk. Beautiful. This is a Monet. Wow. Yep. Look at this. That is Monet. Excuse me, a Monet piece. Okay. Interesting necklace. Very interesting. I would actually redo this one. The beads on it and everything are really nice. But I would remove this chain and put a nicer chain. Those are nice. Okay, this heart has one missing stone. I will put that in the craft box. This is a great lot, though, like I said. Magnetic. There are people who still collect those and like to buy those. I myself have never worn one. But that's what makes things interesting. We don't all have the same taste. I would say that would be awfully boring. Let me see if I can untangle this. Well, I'm going to put that aside. That is too tangled. I don't want to waste your time. Herringbone, that's nice. Nice herringbone. Very different. Not seen one like this. I would say, and I could be wrong, but I would say this is artisan made, and they took these bracelets and made a necklace out of them. It's very nice and a great idea. Okay, here is a wrap bracelet. Oh, And we have another hummingbird. Well, it may not be a hummingbird. The beak's not long enough. No, but that's nice. And this is great for jewelry art. You know, that's when I look at jewelry now. I know. I look at, hey, what can I make out of it? That's a nice brooch. Nice stretch bracelet. I like that. Toggle clasp, stretch. Nice heart pendant. In great shape. Oh, we have an interesting ring. This definitely looks artisan made. It's about an 8 3/4. It's, let me try it on. I like this one. Look at that. It almost looks like it's mesh. That is neat the way they made that. Beautiful, actually. I like that. We have another ring. These are good stacking rings. It's about a 9 1/2. I do like to stack rings sometimes. Another chain. Another pendant. We're getting towards the end here. Oh, this is nice. I like what she did. She put the earrings on the chain, but look at that piece. There is a little scratch on it. But other than that, looks like marcasite. That's neat. That really is. And this is a nice pendant. Okay. Well, what do we have here? I think this needs a little work. I think that will be repaired or go into the craft box. This is a great lot. Look at these earrings. Those are nice. Like I said, she never sends me, you know, junk or dirty stuff that I just throw in the garbage. These are interesting. But it took me at least 3 years to find this lady. I, like others, bought stuff that was a waste of money. Okay, let's get these out. Just about done here. Oh, I like these. Look at those. I like jewelry like that. I think I actually have a pendant that those would match. Okay, let me go through. I'm not going to do these little ones. But let's go through this bag. Because I'm going on 40 minutes, and I like to usually just go about 30 minutes so you don't get bored. Well, look at this leaf. Oh my. That is beautiful. And I think this is one of those that is a real leaf. And it has, oh, that's interesting. Looks like they put a crystal in it. No, it's just the way it was shaped. That is neat. Wow. And she does usually put like all these chains in a bag. But they still, and I won't try to untangle all of them. This is interesting. Look at this. That is really cool. And that would be really comfortable. Here's another interesting piece. This looks like it's marcasite. Years ago, I used to have a collection of marcasite, and then I ended up selling it. I think this opens. Let's see if I can get it open. I don't want to break my nails, but yeah, this does open. That's neat. Here's another neat pendant. Some cool ones, really. I said I'm not going to try to untangle all these on camera. I will do it off camera. It's a cute little butterfly, little girl. That would be great. Let's see. Excuse me. I'm just going to empty this and just show you a couple of them. Now, usually all of her earrings, she does put their matches. Very seldom do I come across a single earring. That's kind of neat. That one. Wow. And most of the time, I make earring lots. I don't, very seldom. I do sell them singly once in a while, but I personally don't like to deal with the earrings. It's not my cup of tea. That's nice. And I do try to separate the clip with pierced. Look at that. Now that's clip. That's nice. So I know a couple of people who like to buy clip earrings. Okay, I think. There we go. I think I'm just going to close out this video and hope you enjoyed watching. Again, I'm still dealing with this stupid tripod that I'm not really fond of. I have to just get something else to set it up on, and I will be doing that or going back to my old tripod. So thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. I appreciate all comments. Anything negative, you know I remove it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.